Hey besties! If your skin is feeling dull, tired, and sun-kissed in all the wrong ways, or have your arms, neck, or feet gone 3 shades darker this summer? Are you walking around with a two-tone situation that sunscreen just didn't save? Same girl, same. Don't worry. I got you. This video is your ultimate guide to a detan routine that actually works. With easy DIY remedies and super affordable products that won't break the bank. Let's bring your natural glow back, shall we? If you're new here, hi. I'm so happy you're here. Let's talk about something that we all deal with: tanning. Not the cute beachy glow kinda tan, but the uneven, patchy, dull skin we get from walking in the sun for 2 minutes. If your face or arms look 5 shades darker than the rest of your body. Same, girl. We've all been there. But don't stress, because in today's video, I'm sharing a full detan routine that actually works with some DIY remedies that you can make at home and affordable product recommendations if you're more of a ready-made kinda babe. Let's fix that sun damage and get your natural glow back. Let's go. Understanding sun tan and damage. Okay, before we jump in, real quick, let's talk about what a tan actually is. Tanning is your skin's natural way of protecting itself from UV rays. But prolonged exposure leads to hyperpigmentation, dullness, and sometimes even sunburn. So, a detan routine isn't just about getting lighter. It's about repairing sun damage, restoring your even tone, and making your skin feel healthy again. Alright, now let's get into the home remedies first. DIY detan masks that work. Let's start with one of my favorite natural and super effective DIY detan masks. DIY gram flour and yogurt brightening pack. You'll need 1 tablespoon of gram flour, aka besan, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, a pinch of turmeric, a few drops of lemon juice. Mix it until smooth. Apply it to your face, arms, or wherever you're tanned. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water, gently scrubbing in circles. This helps brighten, exfoliate, and soothe the skin naturally. Use this 2 to 3 times a week. Avoid the lemon if you have sensitive skin. DIY tomato and honey glow mask. This one's amazing too. Tomato has natural bleaching properties, and honey is a great moisturizer. Just take half a ripe tomato, squeeze out the juice, and mix it with 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. It cools the skin instantly and adds a beautiful glow. Great for tanned, inflamed, or tired skin. Bonus, raw milk plus cotton pad trick. Soak a cotton pad in raw milk, keep it in the fridge for 5 minutes, then swipe it all over your face. It's gentle, brightening, and super calming for daily use, especially after sun exposure. Affordable products that actually work. Now, if you don't have time to DIY, no problem. I got you with some budget-friendly products that work like magic. 1. Organic Traveler Rapid Repair Moisturizer. Price, budget-friendly. What it does: fades tan, hydrates the skin, and brightens dull patches. Why I love it: it's non-sticky, beginner-safe, and smells amazing. 2. The Ordinary AHA BHA Peeling Solution. Price, mid-range, but lasts long. What it does: gently exfoliates the top layer of your skin, removes dead, tanned skin. Important, use only once a week, at night, and follow up with sunscreen the next day. Patch test first. If you're new to exfoliation, try a mild lactic acid serum instead. 3. Lotus Herbals Detan Pack. Price, affordable. What it does: removes tan, soothes irritation, and gives an instant glow. Use it once or twice a week, you'll see results by the 2nd or 3rd use. Affordable body detan products, Pakistani brands. Now let's talk about affordable Pakistani products you can use to detan your body if DIY isn't your vibe or you want faster results. Here are my top picks. Everglow Upton Face and Body Scrub. Price, budget-friendly, under PKR 500. This Upton is gentle but effective, packed with sandalwood, turmeric, and orange peel. Perfect for removing tan and giving your skin a natural glow. Use it 2 to 3 times a week before showering. Himani Whitening Body Lotion with SPF. Price, around PKR 600. It's a lotion plus sun protection in one. Fades tan gradually and keeps your skin safe from further sun damage. Plus, it smells so good. Saeed Ghani Sandal Upton Powder. Price, super affordable, under PKR 200. Mix it with rose water or milk, apply it as a body mask and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse and feel the difference. This is an old-school Pakistani beauty secret that still works. Connatural Multani Midi Plus Rose Face and Body Mask. Price. Mid-range, around PKR 900 to 1200. Great for oily or acne-prone skin. It detoxifies, cools the skin, and removes tan and dead cells. You can use this on your back, arms, or chest once a week. Daily prevention tips. To prevent tanning in the future, follow these simple steps. Always apply sunscreen or SPF body lotion before going out. Wear full sleeves or a scarf if you're out in direct sunlight. Reapply sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours if you're exposed for long. Don't skip hydration, drink water, babes. Sunscreen is non-negotiable. Okay, listen. Nothing, and I mean nothing, works if you don't protect your skin from future damage. So wear your sunscreen daily, even if you're indoors. Even on cloudy days. Even when you're just stepping out for a bit. Some of my budget-friendly sunscreen picks are Nivea Sun Protect and Moisture SPF 50. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer SPF 50. Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum Sunscreen. Apply generously, reapply every 2 hours if you're outside, and thank me later. Post-treatment care. After you exfoliate or use detan masks, your skin can feel a bit dry or sensitive. So always finish your routine with a soothing aloe vera gel, rose water spray, or a light hydrating moisturizer. You want to calm and lock in moisture. Your skin just went through healing, so show it some love. And please, avoid harsh scrubbing or overdoing these masks daily. Twice a week is more than enough. And that's it, besties. That's your full detan routine, with easy DIYs and super effective, budget-friendly product options. Glow isn't about expensive serums or filters. It's about consistency, good habits, and actually caring for your skin. You deserve to feel confident and radiant in your natural skin tone, no matter what shade it is. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe for more skincare on a budget, and let me know in the comments which step you're trying first. Drop a comment if you're ready to glow up for real. Love you all, see you in the next one.